Hello friends, this is Vijay and once again welcome to Competitors World. So friends, today we are going to discuss some of the most important questions on general English. Earlier we had finished up to part 6 of this session and today we are going to discuss part 7. Okay, here we'll discuss basically one word substitution and that is very much useful for the upcoming exam. So before we start, one request to all: please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Like it, share it, and press the bell icon so that I will get motivated to make more videos. Thank you so much. Let's begin. The first question is in front of you. A fixed territory in which authority can be exercised. What we call it? Option A jurisdiction, option B judiciary, option C jurisprudence, and option D that is juristic. So what is the right answer here? The right answer will be that is option A. Okay, jurisdiction will be the right answer. Move on to the next question, that is question number 2. An appearance of objects often simulating the appearance of water. So what we'll call it? We call it that is option B mirage. Okay, so what do we mean by mirage? So sometimes it create गोटे भ्रम सृष्टि करे जल पर गोटे भ्रम सृष्टि करे जल थिबा पर गोटे भ्रम सृष्टि करे दैट इज कॉल्ड मिरेज मरीचिका जो कहते मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 द आर्ट ऑफ मेकिंग फायर वर्क्स ओके व्हाट वी कॉल इट ऑप्शन ए क्रोमैटिक्स ऑप्शन बी न्यूमिस्मैटिक्स ऑप्शन सी पायरोटेक्निक्स एंड ऑप्शन डी दैट इज कॉस्मेटिक्स so here the right answer will be that is pyrotechnics. Okay, so if we'll talk about other option, numismatics, this question is often asked in various exams. So numismatics means study of coins. Okay, study or collection of coins, we call it numismatics. Clear? Move on to the next question, that is question number 4. Give of bubbles of gas. Option A effaced, option B effervesce, option C effloresce, option C that is effuse. So what will be the right answer here? So here the right answer will be that is option B, effervesce will be the right answer. Clear? Move on to the next question, that is question number 5. A system of governance controlled by persons of high intellectual ability. So what we call it? High intellectual ability. So we call it option C, that is meritocracy. Okay, meritocracy will be the right answer. Move on to the next question, that is question number 6. A sudden and violent change. Option A cataclysm, option B catalysis, option C catacombs, and option D that is catechism. So what will be the right answer here? So here the right answer will be that is option A, cataclysm will be the right answer. So move on to the next question, that is question number 7. A small waterfall or group of waterfalls flowing down a rocky hill. Okay, so what we call it? Rocky hillside. What we call it? Option A hurricane, option B stream, option C volcano, and option D that is cascade. So here the right answer will be that is option D, that is cascade will be the right answer. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 8. One who eats human flesh, what we call him? Okay, option A non-vegetarian, option B vegetarian, option C cannibal, and option D that is man eater. Okay, so we call cannibal. Okay, we call him cannibal. Move to the next question, that is question number 9. Instrument which records air's temper. Okay, air's temper. Option A monograph, option B geographer, option C seismograph, and option D that is barometer. So here the answer will be that is seismograph will be right answer. Clear? So let us move to the next question, that is question number 10. The practice of a woman having more than one husband at the same time. Okay, ताको आमे कौन कहूचे? Option A polygamy, option B polyphony, option C polyandry, and option D that is polygyny. So we call her, okay, we call her polyandry. Polyandry means one woman having more than one husband, and if one man having more than one wife, then we call him polygyny. And polygamy means a multiple relationship, okay, marriage between multiple individuals, we call polygamy. Okay, move to the next question, that is question number 11. Specializes in nose diseases. Okay, specializes in nose diseases. Option A otologist, option B rhinologist, option C endocrinologist, and option D that is gerontologist. Okay, so what will be the right answer here? So here the right answer will be rhinologist, specializes in nose disease. If we'll talk about option A, otologist, so what do we mean by otologist? Specializes in ear diseases. Ear diseases we call it otologist. Endocrinologist means specialization in regarding hormones. Okay, hormones. Gerontologist means specialization regarding aging process. Aging process, old age, regarding that. Okay, move on to the next question, that is question number 12. Boundary of an area: porch, periphery, balcony, veranda. So what will call it? Boundary of an area is called periphery. Clear? Move to the next question, that is question number 13. A war of religions. Okay, option A, calligraphy, option B, contraband, option C, cavalry, and option D, that is crusade. So here the right answer will be, that is war of religion is called crusade. Just remember these questions, these are very much essential according to the exam point of view. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 14. A government of by the nobility. Okay, option A, bureaucracy, option B, aristocracy, option C, autocracy, and option D, that is oligarchy. So here the right answer will be, that is aristocracy will be the right answer, government by nobility. Move to the next question, that is question number 15. To store and stock. Okay, option A, hail, option B, hide, option C, hoard, and option D, that is hoard. Look at this: hoard, HOARD, and hoard, HORDE. So here the right answer will be, that is option A. Oh, sorry, option C, hoard, HOARD will be the right answer. Clear? Move to the next question, that is question number 16. A body of persons appointed to hear evidence and give their verdict in trial. Okay, जे विचार शुणाती ताको आमे कौन कहूचे? Jury. We call him jury. Okay, persons we call that team jury members. Okay, so jury, that constitute a jury. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 17. A person who dishonestly pretends to be someone else, जे कि छलना करे, जोटा जे नुहे सेटा को से छलना करे, ताको आमे कौन कहूचे? ना we call him imposter. Okay, so imposter will be the right answer. Move to the next question, that is question number 18. Violent storm. Okay, so violent storm को आमे कौन कहूचे? ना weather, rains, breeze, tempest. So we call it tempest. That is option D will be the right answer. Tempest will be the right answer. Move to the next question, that is question number 19. Careful and thoroughful inquiry. Okay, careful and thoroughful inquiry. Option A, investigation, option B, interview, option C, examination, and option D, that is exploration. So right answer will be, that is option A, investigation will be the right answer. Okay, today's last question, question number 20. I think there is another question, 21 number of questions have been set of today. A disease which is spread by direct contact. Okay, so direct contact ru जो disease टा व्यापे ताको हमें कौन कहूचे? So we call it, that is option A, contagious, option B, infectious, option C, epidemic, and option D, that is endemic. So we call it, that is contagious. Okay, direct spread जो disease गुड़ा व्यापे ताको हमें contagious disease बोले कहूचे. Today's last question, that is question number 21. The study of ancient civilizations. Option A, history, option B, anthropology, option C, anthology, and option D, that is archaeology. So we call it archaeology. Ancient civilization विषय में study करो, that is called archaeology will be the right answer. Okay, so this was all about today's session. I hope this will definitely help you in the upcoming examinations. And before we end the videos, I'd like to request you to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and press the bell icon so that I'll be encouraged. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.